Hello, welcome student. In today's lecture, we will see the algorithm analysis, characteristics of an algorithm and space complexity. First topic is algorithm analysis. First, we will see the definition of algorithm. Actually, algorithm analysis is a technique that is used to measure the performance of the algorithms. An algorithm is finite sequence of instruction, each of which has a clear meaning and can be executed with a finite amount of effort in finite time. That's why the definition of algorithm is an algorithm is finite set of instructions that if followed accomplishes a particular task. It is method that can be used by a computer for the solution of a problem. There are four distinct areas of to study an algorithm. One can identify. The programmer should be identify the following four areas. Which are those? First is how to devise the algorithm. Devise the algorithm means what? Actually, invent the algorithm or design the algorithm. Creating an algorithm is an art which may never be which be never fully automated. By mastering in designing strategies, the programmer or it will be become easier for a programmer to devise new and useful algorithms. Our next area is the how to validate the program. Validation of program means what? Once an algorithm is designed or device, it is necessary to show that it computes the correct answer of all possible legal inputs. Programmer refer to this process as algorithm validation. The algorithm need not as yet be expressed as a program. It is sufficient to state it in any precise way. The purpose of the validation is to assure to programmer or assurance for the programmer that this algorithm will work correctly independently of the issues concerning the programming language. Third is how to analyze the algorithm. Analysis of algorithm or performance analysis refers to the task of determining how much computing time and storage an algorithm requires. And the last is how to test the program. Testing a program consists of two phases, debugging and profiling. Profiling means what? Performance measurement. First, debugging. Debugging is the process of executing programs on sample data sets to determine whether faulty result occur or not. If the faulty result occur, then correct them. And the profiling or the performance measurement is the process of executing a correct program on data sets and measuring the time and space it takes to compute the result. Now, characteristics of an algorithm. First characteristics, finiteness. Finiteness means what? If we trace out the instruction of an algorithm, then for all cases, the algorithm terminates after a finite number of steps. Second, definiteness. Definiteness means what? Each instruction should be clear and unambiguous. Third is effectiveness. Every instruction must be very basic so that it can be carried out in principle by a person using only pencil and paper. It is not enough that each operation be definite as we say in definiteness characteristics, but it is also a feasible. Next is input. Zero or more quantities are externally supplied is called as input, and the last characteristic is output, that at least one quantity is produced by an algorithm. Performance analysis. Performance or the algorithm analysis helps us to select the best algorithm from multiple algorithms to solve a problem. We can say that analysis of an algorithm or performance analysis means determining how efficient an algorithm is. There are two major phases of performance and performance evaluation. First is a priori and next is a posteriori. A priori means what? A performance analysis before implementing the algorithm, that is called as a priori analysis. And a posteriori analysis means what? A performance measurement after implementing the algorithm and measuring its actual performance. There are many criteria upon which an algorithm can be evaluated. For example, does it performs desired task, or second, does it work correctly according to the original specification of the task? Uh, does it contains documentation describing how it was? Are procedures created in such a way that they perform logical subfunctions? Is the code readable? All these criteria can be considered while designing an algorithms. Uh, there are space complexity and the time complexity. Space complexity deals with storage requirement and time complexity deals with computing time. Complexity of an algorithm gives the running time and or the storage space required by the algorithm in terms of the size of the input data. Space complexity. The space complexity means what? That is, it can be defined as amount of memory required by an algorithm to run to completion or further execution. The space required by the program includes code space, that is space required for instruction, and second is the data space. Data space means space required for constant and variables. The components of space complexity are fixed part and the variable part. Fixed part means what? That is, this part independent of the characteristics of the input and outputs. It includes the memory space for simple variables, component variables and the constant. And the next is variable part. Variable part means it consists of the space needed by variables whose size depend on particular instance of variable. It also includes the additional space required when the function uses recursion. To compute the space complexity, we require two factors. First is the constant and second is the instance characteristics. That is, we can say the S of P is equals to C plus SP. C stands for constant, that is the fixed part, and it denotes the space of input and output. And S of P is the space dependent upon the instance characteristics. This is the variable part whose space requirement depend on particular problem instance. For any algorithm, memory is required for the following purpose. First is memory required to store program instruction. Next, to store constant values, to store variable values, and for other things. Generally, when a program is under execution, it uses the computer memory for the following three reasons. First is instruction space. Instruction space, it is amount of memory used to store compiled version of instruction. Then environmental stack, that is, it is the amount of memory used to store information of partially executed function at the time of a function call. And a data space, it is amount of memory used to store all the variables and constant. Note one thing or important point is there, that is, when we want to perform analysis of an algorithm based on its space complexity, we consider only data space and ignore instruction space as well as environmental stack. That means we calculate only the memory required to store variables, constant, structure. Let us discuss one example. That is integer float area, and one parameter passing is float r, and after that return 3.14, that is pi value, and into r means this pseudocode is for what? That is, it is for calculate the area of circle. In this, suppose in this code, it requires 2 bytes of memory to store the value of r, and another 2 bytes is used to it is used for returning value. That is, assume that integer takes 2 bytes. That means totally it requires 4 bytes of memory to complete its execution, and this 4 bytes of memory is fixed for any input value of r. This space complexity is said to be constant space complexity. That's why S of p is equals to 0 and the constant value is equals to 1. One more example for calculate the space complexity. This code is for what? That is, it is for calculating the addition of n number or summation of n number. The first, in this, the algorithm depends on n, which is instance characteristics. In this code, it requires n into 2 bytes of memory to store array variables. And another part is, that is fixed part. The variables I, s and n are the fixed part variable. That's why here 6 bytes of memory for integer variables and another 2 bytes of memory for return value. That's why total here 6 plus 2, 8 bytes are required. That means totally it requires 2n plus 8 bytes of memory to complete its execution. Here the amount of memory depends on the input value of n. This space complexity is said to be linear space complexity.